Hello guys, we're animating today. Now, I'm going to show you how to animate. Look, so if I tap on the screen right now, I just drew. And if you hit the arrow at the top of the screen, but there's two arrows. If you click the one that's going to the left, you undo something. If you click the one that's going to the right, you redo it. If you click on this ruler and click one of these, for example, I wanted a circle. I just needed to hold down this red button and it will just start to get thinner and thinner and smaller. Then I can click on my pen. If I don't want to use a pen, I have to click it twice and click on the same pen. Then I can choose from 4 pens. I can choose from a paintbrush, I could choose from a pencil and a highlighter. Personally, I just use the pen and the paintbrush for my animations. Now, if you want to add an image, like I do for my new animation style, you click on add image or add a video. You can add all sorts. Now, these animations, the animated picture on the left is actually not to be used. The rest are though. I'll give you a sneak peek. Okay, that's enough now. Now, if you want to redo some stuff, you click on the top arrow. If you want to undo it, you also click on the other top arrow that's facing left, and to redo, the arrow is facing right. If you go on the lasso tool, you can't click on it many times, just once. If you go on the lasso tool, you can take things, move them to all sorts of places. Now if you click on the 2 papers at the top, and you click them once, and you click delete on what you've got, then you click on the board that's at the top, you get the same thing again. Pretty cool. Now if you don't want it, just click off it, and if you want to erase what you've done, you click on the eraser. Now you can choose how strong it is and how weak you want it, and you can choose how strong it is and how thick, and you can also type a text like insert hello. Now if you click in the middle and hold it, you can actually move it around. If you click on this, I don't know what it does, I never used it. Oh, flip, that's thick. Now you can change its colours. If you click on the red dot or whatever colour it is. Wow, the rainbow. Wow. That's actually really satisfying. Okay, we're getting a start now. You can click on projects to go on them. If you're done with your project, you just tap make movie after typing the after you click these 3 dots, click them, then all this will come on. Don't need to worry about these, just worry about these 3. And yeah, and you're done, pretty much. If you want to, now there's a feature I haven't told you. If you click on the paint bucket and you tap the canvas, you can actually change it. Now, this is really helpful for me when I'm making animations for a cat. I sometimes do that for him, but just by myself, and it doesn't really help me. Now, I'm gonna rub away all this, and now I'm gonna add an image. Not really, this is 5 minutes. So yeah, I've told you all the basics. Pretty much you can change the color just like the paint, bucket. Yeah, you can actually change the tool with that, change its color. If you go on text, you can also do it. You can also change it. Same with the pen, the paintbrush, the pencil, and the highlighter. So yeah, I've told you everything you need to know pretty much. If you click on the ruler though, and you click from a if you click on the line, the circle or the square, you get a circle, square, or circle. A circle, square, or a line, I mean. So yeah, this is all you get from me, and now you can animate. Yeah. Yeah. And delete this save file after this video. Yeah. Done. What a work of art.